welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. What I got here is a chuck roast, kosher salt. Give it a nice layer. We're gonna do the granulated garlic, get some flavor in here. We got the ground pepper, and we'll do the same on this side. Let's go outside and start that fire. You already know I'm rocking the fire cups. You guys gotta get these. These are must. You think the tumbleweeds are good? This has a good power on it. Good flame power. All right, fire is ready. Let's see. We're gonna go ahead and do part of our salsa here as well. Got a full onion, 4 large Roman tomatoes, and our beautiful chuck roast. I do have 2 vents open in the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and face my vent over the meat. Therefore the heat climbs, goes over the meat and the veggies and cooks everything up. I'll bring you back in a few hours because this is easy cooking. All right guys, this has been rocking for 2 hours guys. So this is an opportunity for me to tostar our chiles. I got chile pasilla, 3 of them, and then chile California. I think I got like 5 of them. We're gonna go ahead and use this opportunity to toast our chiles. The chile California, and these are the chile pasilla. Pull off our tomatoes. Beautiful, just gorgeous. See how that onion's doing? Yeah, we'll pull off the onion too. Onions looks pretty good. This is gonna be very quick guys. Wanna wake them up, wanna toast them too long. I always say your salsa will be bitter. These are done. Takes less than a minute guys. Let's go inside and make that salsa. 4 cups of warm water. I put the chili pods in there. I cleaned them, deveined them, and deseeded them. So let's go with our next ingredients. I have the tomatoes and the onions, and I got a handful of garlic cloves, and I have 2 chile de árbol. Just want to give it that extra little spice. Gonna just go ahead and throw all of it in here. See, hopefully it all fits. Allspice, but yay much. Nice little scoop there. It's going to be whole cloves, 5 or 6 of them. Then we got whole black pepper, peppercorns. We're gonna go about yay much. And then we have some ground cumin. This one gives it a good flavor as well. Real good flavor. Got a nice tablespoon. Let's put a little bit more. Just give that 2 tablespoons. I love cumin. We got rosemary, a little bunch, yay much. And then granulated garlic. Nice little tablespoon. Kosher salt. Yay much. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I'm gonna add maybe 3 more cups of water. Let me blend this up and I'll bring you right back. So let me show you the ingredient. Now, one of the main ingredients I forgot, cinnamon stick. It's about exactly this size that I put in, a 2-inch piece. All right, let's go ahead and strain this. This smells beautiful, guys. Smells delish. I will bring you guys back once all this is done. All right, guys, here it is. Strained it. Very nice. Smells very smoky. Where this is gonna go, we're gonna add our sauce right here, right on top of the chuck roast. Does it all fit? It all fits. We're gonna braise this bad boy. We're gonna boil this sucker. Call it whatever you want, but this is gonna be good birria. Now all I'm gonna do is just cover it with foil, nice and tight. All right, follow me outside. Let's put this back on the Weber. So I ended up putting more charcoal because I ran out of fuel. And I'll bring you back in a few hours. This is a taquero cart. Let's put some olive oil right here. I want to make a salsa verde. A few tomatillos right here, a few jalapenos. We'll get those rocking. Look at this, guys. Is that money? Let's go ahead and shred this up. Man, it smells good, guys. You see that smoke ring? Beautiful. Smoked birria tacos. I think that's pretty good, right, guys? Let's put it in the sauce. Get this goodness. Get back in there in the sauce. Come on, tell me, guys, does that look good or not? Put a little bit of oil. Grab a few tortillas. We'll dip it in that sauce, just like so. I got some Mexican cheese. You can use whatever you want. We're gonna go ahead and flip these tortillas. I don't want them ripping on me. Put a little cheese. Man, this takes me back when I was a taquero, man. You get some of this meat right here. Put it on here. Mira nomás lo que te vas a comer. They make these tacos nice and beefy, huh? Look at that, guys. That's about good right there. We're gonna come back and hit it with more cheese. Let everybody get some love. Flip this over. Come on, baby. Work with me. Man, they're hefty, guys. Money, guys. Get a little bit of this juice. Come back, hit it with some more juice. Tell me that doesn't look like money. All right, let's flip these guys. Oh, look at this. This is my favorite part. The camera catch it. Let me bring it back a little bit. See that cheese, the way it's melted? Man, favorite part. Oh, man. Oh, look at it. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, man. This is gonna be so good, guys. Let's put some oil. Got a 10-inch tortilla right here. It's gonna go quick. I lowered the heat, but when it comes down to quesadillas, they cook really fast. A generous amount of cheese. Let's get our carne. I think that's about good. And then we're gonna come back and hit it with more cheese. Just like that, guys. Flip your tortilla. See how brown it is? Quesadillas take no time to cook, guys. Quesadilla, quesadilla. All right, let's go ahead and add some of this juice, the consomme. Get that classic color. Not only that, rehydrate the quesadilla. It smells good, guys. What do you guys prefer, the quesadilla or the quesataco? You guys let me know in the comment. I'll take both. Look at that. But look at that. Isn't that a gorgeous color? Let's go inside and test these bad boys. So here's the consomme. I had some leftovers in that pan. Man, my mouth is watering like crazy. Let's go ahead and look at this. Delish. I have one of those, and then I'll have a quesadilla. Let's doctor this up real quick. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, look at this. Money, guys. I do have some cilantro, cebolla, some limoncito. Just a little bit of onion, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of lime. We can doctor this up right here as well. Put some lime in there. Put a little bit onions, a little bit cilantro. And then that salsa that we made earlier. Look at this. I tasted it. Woo-wee! It is fire. When I say fire, I'm talking about spicy. Just put a little bit, not too much. Give this a quick mix. Look at this, guys. Got all that meat in there. I have not tasted this. All right, let me turn the camera so you guys can see. Let's start off with the broth. I'm so curious. Cheers, guys. Delicious. Go with the quesataco. This is money. Delicious, guys. This is stupid good. It's super good, guys. I've been waiting all day to eat this. Let's try the quesadilla, quesabirria. Cheers. Delicious. Look at this, guys. Cheesy on the inside, smoky, freaking bombitious. That cheese on the inside. Overall, man, I give myself 100 for this one. That's how good it was, guys. Remember, I'm not for hire as a taquero. Not yet anyways. I'll be back soon, but I can't do it right now. But my daughters might, they might go for it. They want to earn some extra money. I don't know. I would have to ask them. Anyways, man, birria, how would I say this? Smoke chuck birria quesatacos were bomb, were money, were stupid good. That's how good these were. Well, gracias. Thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Ya sabes, I'll catch you guys next Friday. And you guys have a good weekend. Laters. Yeah, I said it right this time.